12.4, the effects of outliers. Example number 1, identify the outliers. Shannon recorded the number of baskets she scored each day last week. And here is the list of the days and the number of baskets she scored. What is the range of the baskets scored? So the highest value here is 22. And we're subtracting the lowest value, which in this case happens to be 5. So we've got a range of 17. And we're also wondering what is the median of the baskets scored. So sorting them in lowest to highest order, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 numbers. So if we take one off each end and keep doing that, then our middle number here is the 17. So 17 is our median. What is the mean of the basket scored? Okay, well the mean is the sum of the values divided by the number of values. So we add them all up and then we divide by 7. So 112 is your total. Divide by 7 and you end up with 16. So that is the mean or the average. So she averaged 16 baskets per day. Now, part D is, does it look like there's an outlier? Well, if I look at this set of data, most of them are in the teens, some are slightly higher, but this Thursday at 5 baskets seems to be much, much smaller than the rest. So I would consider Thursday with 5 to be an outlier. She was having a bad day, not consistent with the rest of her performance. So I would say that yes, Thursday's score of 5 looks like it is an outlier and is very different from all the other days' totals. Now, if you were to remove that 5 from the data set and then go through this process, that would change our lowest value and that would become 14. So 22 minus 14 would give you a range of 8. That would be a more stable solution. If you took the 5 out and you had just these 6 numbers, then you would, to calculate your median, take one off each end, one off each end. You'd have 2 numbers in the middle, 17 and 18. So if you took the average of those two, your new mean or median would then be 17 and a half. So almost the same, but a little bit different. Whereas this range is quite a lot different. And then if you remove that 5 from here, that would mean you'd have a total of 107 out of 6 daily totals. So 107 divided by 6 would mean that your mean now would be 17.8. So the mean itself changes slightly, but the difference between a 16 and almost an 18 in a game, that's almost 4 points per game, shooting hoops. So it does have an impact. So, there's a show you know here. Please go ahead and give that a try.